Hey everyone, welcome to Power Brain TV. Subscribe for more videos and get faster notification of the video. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. Class 9I T Information Technology. Chapter 5 ICT Email. Questions and answers. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks. A. Email stands for electronic mail. B. Email is an online mailing service. C. Email message can be written or typed in Compose window. D. Mail are received in the mailbox of an email recipient. 2. Select the most suitable alternative. A. Which of the following must be unique in an email id? I. Body of the message. E. Subject. E. Username. IV. None of these. Answer E. Subject. B. Gmail, Yahoo Mail are some popular service provider for. I. Search engine. E. Email. E. Web browser. IV. None of these. Answer E. Email. 3. Write short notes on. A. File attachment. Answer: an attachment is simply a file that is sent along with your email. For example, if you are sending an invitation, you might send invitation card as an attachment, with the body of the email acting as the cover letter. B. Webmail. Answer: webmail or web-based. Email is portable and accessible from any internet-enabled web browser. In such setup, email is accessed on a website. Some of the popular webmail are Gmail, Yahoo, Roundcube, Squirrel Mail, etc. C. Starred. Answer: it holds the email message which are marked as most important emails. By default, starred messages are labeled with a yellow star. D. Compose email. Answer: email message can be composed, typed or written in Compose window. Email address of the recipient s subject of the message can also be typed in the Compose box on window along with the message in body. 4. Different between. A. Email and postal letters. Answer: for email it can be said as the advanced version of postal letter. Just as a postal letter is sent to a specific address, email is also sent to a specific address. Email is also sent to a specific address known as the email ID. The email is however shorter than the postal address. B. Replying and forwarding. Answer: reply only sends the new message to the original sender. Reply all sends the new message to the original sender and all other recipients on the 2 and 3 lines. Attachments are not included. Forwards allows you to type in a whole new set of recipients. C. Username and domain name. Answer: I. Username. A username is a type of credential which is the help to access computer, laptop, website, social media and online services. E. Domain name. Domain name is a name of the website which you can use to identify the website on the internet. It's necessary to use a perfect domain and choose which is suitable for your business. 5. Short answer questions. A. What is trash? Answer: trash stores the deleted email message. Till 30 days, it will be permanently deleted from the email account and can't be recovered or restored. B. What is a spam mail? Answer: spam mail stores unsolicited message. C. How mails can be reused? Explain. Answer: these prefixes are usually inserted by the email client. Re or re, followed by the subject line of a previous message indicates a reply to that message. D. What is managing folder in email? Answer: folder in Gmail helps to manage and organize email message properly. 6. Answer the following questions. A. List the limitations of email. Answer: although emails are delivered instantly, the recipient may or may not read his/her mail at that point of time. This defeats the purpose of quickness of an electronic mailing system. There are many spams that are sent to the email accounts. It results in the increased size of mailbox, which consumes extra time of user. A slight error in the address of the recipient may result into the non-delivery of the message or delivery to some other recipient. Since email passes through various networks, sometimes it may be intercepted in between due to any fault in the network. A failure or fault in one of the links of network between the sender and receiver prevents delivery of the email. B. What are the advantages of email? Answer. Advantages of email are: fast, an email message can reach any corner of the world in seconds. Cost, for sending and receiving email, there is no face. Convenience, an email message can be sent at any point of time from anywhere on the earth. Resource saving, an email does not require paper, envelope or stamp. Maintenance of record, the sender or the receiver can always keep the records of the messages in the sent mail section of the mailbox or in a computer as soft copy. Reusable, the email messages can be reused or forwarded to more than one recipient as and when required. C. Differentiate between schedule send and send. Answer. The word send is present perfect tense of the verb, while the word sent is the past tense and past participle tense of the verb 3. Both have progressive forms, with the word send being used in its present form and the word sent in its past form. D. Discuss the similarities between email and postal letters. Answer. Emails are delivered extremely fast when compared to traditional post. Emails can be sent 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. In webmail means emails can be sent and received from any computer, anywhere in the world, that has an internet connection. Cheap, when using broadband, each email sent is effectively free. Thanks for watching with Power Brain TV. Please don't forget to subscribe.